Leaf, the food factory. In this module, you will learn about the food factory of plants, that is, the leaf.
Alicia, don't pluck the leaves.
Okay, Mama. I love to collect the leaves of different plants.
No, Alicia. We should never pluck the leaves of plants unnecessarily. They are very important for plants.
Alicia's mother is absolutely right. Leaves are very important for plants because they make the food for plants. And that is why they are also called the food factory of plants. But what special features do leaves have that make them the food factory? Let us find out. Leaves have two special features that make them the food factory. One is the presence of chlorophyll and the other is the presence of stomata. Let's first study about chlorophyll. It is a special substance that is present on the surface of leaves. It traps the sunlight that is needed for making the food for the plants. It is the chlorophyll that gives the leaves their green color. Now, as we know that chlorophyll is necessary for making food, we can conclude that only green leaves make food for the plants. Now let us study the stomata. Stomata are the minute openings or pores present on the lower surface of the leaf. Stomata help in the exchange of gases between leaves and air. Through stomata, leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen into the air. The carbon dioxide that is taken in through stomata is used by leaves for making food. Let's recap. Leaves are the food factory of plants. Leaves have two special features that make them the food factory of plants. These are chlorophyll and stomata. Chlorophyll traps the sunlight that is needed for making the food. Stomata take in carbon dioxide from air that is used for making the food.